There's not a single person I know जो इस सीन पे पगलाया ना हो. As per a 2018 survey, 41% of US citizens reported that they enjoyed watching superhero movies. Enjoyed. लेकिन देखी इससे ज्यादा लोगों ने होगी, वो भी सिर्फ यूएस में, और वो भी in 2018 when the two biggest superhero movies had not even released. In 2017, 7 of the 11 highest grossing films were superhero movies. It's clear that superhero content is something that appeals to people across all ages, cultures, languages and races. And now with OTT being the new cinema halls, here are a few amazeball superhero shows that you just can't miss. Number 1, The Boys. मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था that superheroes could actually be the villains in a show. After all the formulaic superhero movies, Amazon Prime brings us a unique perspective in which the superheroes are villains, they're employees of an evil billion-dollar company, and they're fighting lawsuits instead of criminals because they create more bhasar than solving it. If that's not fresh writing, then I don't know what is. This show makes you forget the distinction between good and bad. ये शो बहुत subtly आपको grey characters का fan बना देगा. For example, Billy Butcher, the badass anti-hero that we need but don't deserve. You'll also be rooting for criminals like Frenchie, who does not have a spine but weirdly has so much heart. What's interesting is that it's called The Boys, पर ये शायद ऐसा इकलौता शो है that focuses on the perspective of female superheroes in the middle of a testosterone overdose. The only bad thing about the show is that इसका latest season अभी रिलीज हुआ है, but they've only released 3 episodes, which is just not enough. Number 2, Watchmen. Even though Marvel seems to be winning the movies race, DC has pushed the bar too high for OTT with this new show. सबसे पहले I must tell you कि इस शो ने सारे Emmy records तोड़ दिए हैं by being nominated for 26 awards this year. This is the most number of Emmy nominations ever. Superhero meets time travel, meets racism, meets science fiction, meets mutation, meets love and family and emotion, meets oh my fucking god, what a fantabulous show. It's the literal definition of एकदम से जज्बात बदल दिए, हालात बदल दिए. Even though it's not an out and out superhero shows, it does have vigilantes and saviors dressed in masks and capes, and even has references to Batman. The last time I watched something that handled racism so differently was Jordan Peele's Get Out. But this show takes it a notch higher and feels more relevant than ever due to the Black Lives Matter movement. It also talks about the KKK, and by the time the show gets over, you will probably be left mind-fucked. The Umbrella Academy. Marvel और DC rivalry से बढ़कर एक और यूनिवर्स है जिसमें ये शो एग्जिस्ट करता है, and the plot is quite interesting. In 1989, 43 kids are mysteriously born to random women across the world who were never pregnant. 7 out of these are adopted by a billionaire who trains them to control their powers. और शायद ये powers ही शो का सबसे यूनिक पार्ट है. They're not the basic superpowers that we've always seen. They're stupid but quite creative and fresh. One girl can make you do anything by saying a few words. One guy can communicate with the dead. One guy can time travel. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि किसी ने हमारी बचपन की सुपर हीरो वाली विशेस को स्क्रीन पर डाल दिया है. Also, this might be a superhero show on the surface, but in its roots, it's a family drama. It talks about much more deep-rooted issues like abandonment, brotherhood, adoption, love, and even incest. It got a lot of mixed reviews, but मुझे personally काफी मजा आया था. और कुछ नहीं तो अच्छा खासा टाइम पास हो ही जाएगा. Daredevil. Marvel ने एक सीरीज बनाई थी called The Defenders, basically सस्ते Avengers, and it was quite shitty. But the only good thing was that it gave us Daredevil, a blind superhero who fights crime as a lawyer by day and a vigilante at night. This show had one of the best villain origins that I've ever seen. Wilson Fisk, urf Kingpin, who is also a Spider-Man villain, has been brilliantly portrayed by Vincent D'Onofrio. And then there's Charlie Cox, जिसने इतनी कमाल की एक्टिंग करी है that एक मिनट के लिए आपको लगेगा he's actually a blind man who's fighting crime. It's a very high quality show with its fine production design, its gritty cinematography, and its A-grade acting. The best part was that this show gave us a brooding anti-hero, The Punisher, which is another great show that you must watch. Gotham. एक ऐसा शो जो हम सबको याद होगा is the original Batman show with its animated titles, its iconic soundtrack and the purplish suit. But things have gotten much darker now, both in the world and in content. Gotham is a much more real depiction of crimes and human brutality. If you're a fan of the Batman universe, then you must watch this show because it's like a prequel and follows the prime days of Officer James Gordon. इसमें Batman तो नहीं है, पर हाँ एक छोटा Bruce Wayne जरूर है. इस शो के 5 सीजन्स के दौरान they have hinted the origins of various Batman villains like Ra's al Ghul, the Riddler, Catwoman, Bane, and even Joker. So these were the superhero shows that I loved the most. A special mention to Agents of Shield, जिसका लेटेस्ट सीजन अभी खत्म हुआ है, पर शायद वो इंडिया में अभी अवेलेबल नहीं है. सुपर हीरोज कंटेंट से ज्यादा सस्पेंशन ऑफ डिसबिलीफ ना शायद ही कोई कभी करवा सकता है. I still remember my dad frowning upon superhero movies and asking me to grow up. Well, I did grow up, but for some reason my love for them has consistently increased. So tell me your favorite superhero shows in the comments below, and for more such random fandom videos, subscribe to India Times.